I dare to dream, 'cause I dare to dream. And do I have to say I'm sorry, because I dare to be a living dream? Is it weakness that dictates the sabotage regime? Or is it strength? It takes more